Hi everybody, it's Heather from the Nocatee Welcome Center, and I am so excited to be back with Adrian Shepard. You guys know him of David Weekley Homes, and he is in the exclusive community called Coral Ridge at Seabrook. And Adrian is excited to show you a quick move-in ready for you today. And this community, Adrian, is almost sold out, so this is a big deal to have a quick move-in.
It's a great opportunity to finally get in before the gates close.
The gates are going to close because this is a gated community. So again, we are on the south of the Nocatee Splash and Spray water parks in the sought after Seabrook collection. And Coral Ridge is the only gated community in this location. Thanks for having us, Adrian.
It's always a pleasure. Thank you very much for coming. So here we are at 40 Crystal Sands Court. And this home is 4 bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, plus an extra pool bath, and it's 3,512 square feet with a master bedroom on the ground floor and an additional guest bedroom also on the ground floor. So this is a very popular feature that we have here. A lot of people work from home, especially since COVID. This is a great opportunity to have a private space where you can carry out any of your business deals.
I love that you put a bedroom here on the front on the first floor, because if you do have people visiting, this to me is a great guest suite away from the rest of the home because it does have a full bath in here.
You're absolutely right. It's a very popular feature in our designs. And it's convenient too, and it gives the separation that your guest is going to be looking for because they don't want to be on top of you.
Absolutely. And also how Adrian mentioned that front room could be an office. There are people that go to the gym in the morning because Nocatee does have a fitness center. Well, then you could actually shower in this space, not waking up your partner, which is even better.
That's very considerate of you.
Thanks, Adrian.
So look how open this room is. Lots of windows, lots of light. Having just recently staged this, it's a great benefit because it shows you how you can use this space to best suit you and your family.
And Carling, as you pan around, look at this beautiful kitchen.
The countertops in the kitchen are quartz. Of course, we have the Cafe series appliances with a 36-inch 5-burner gas stove. It is a natural gas community, so we have no buried tanks through here. We also, incidentally, have tankless gas water heaters, which is very economical and a great design feature. Your double oven in the Cafe series. Now you might wonder, where is the microwave? Well, if you look at the far end of the counter, you'll see it under the counter there next to the stainless steel sink. So a very good functional kitchen, open to your guests, so you can be forming your culinary delights in here and still not abandon your family and friends and anyone who cares to visit.
And lots of countertop space, and just again the attention to detail, rounded corners on the quartz countertops, tons of cabinetry, tons of drawers, and again the cabinets to the ceiling. And then this is awesome. Everyone's like, I need to see the garage.
Here we are with the 3-car tandem garage. And we've also above here, Carling is showing you, we have an attic which is about 70 to 120 square feet of boarded space. And I was up there recently. I'm 6 foot. You can walk straight across from one side to the other. Very handy.
But Adrian, don't let that attic fool everyone, because you have another attic space that you'll see when we go upstairs. So again, this home and this floor plan, so much storage. And look at this, love this hallway. This hallway, when Adrian first showed us this, I said, oh my gosh, I love this, because if you're wanting to go to the back of the home, which you're about to see, which is where the laundry room is, the half bath, storage off of the garage, you're not having to go through the kitchen. So I'm visualizing a family here, perhaps a mom, you're here entertaining guests. Your kids don't ever have to cut through your space and where you're entertaining. Great storage. All right, Adrian, look at the laundry room.
Look at this laundry room.
Huge.
Also, being a gas community, we have a gas stub out at the dryer. So you have the option either to have a gas dryer or an electric dryer in here.
And Carling, if you don't mind backing out, because on your left, that's going to be a closet on your left, so more storage. And here on your right, there's your half bath.
Oh, I should say one of them.
That's right. In just a moment, as Carling pans around, and Carling, if you don't mind, completely pan around, we've got to go outside because there's another half bath out there. And do you want to show this right here? David Weekley is showing how you can put in a pool. And Adrian is about to show you the ta-da!
Don't expect me to sing like you.
Hold on, everyone. I was so excited. I was like, wait a second. So David Weekley Homes has gone ahead and done some of the big ta-da for you. They've already put your pool bath in. You just need to put the pool in. But to be honest with you, this space is so huge, you could actually just do a beautiful pavers, a fire pit, and not do a pool. And the reason I say that is because I want to let you know that Seabrook Park is literally right outside of this community to the left of the community. And Seabrook Park has over a 7,000 square foot pool, sun shelves, beautiful kids playground, it's giant. It also has the largest dry dog park in Nocatee, so a huge, large dog park, and then a small dog park. And that again is steps away from the gated community of Coral Ridge. But again, I love that you have the half bath out here.
Well, if you have children that are playing out in the back garden,
Yes.
then it's ideal. They don't
Wash
have
your
to-
hands outside.
Indeed.
Absolutely. And again, look at the ceilings. They really are soaring. The beautiful beam up there. The attention to detail is what I'm seeing.
And great sight lines as well, I'd like to point out
Absolutely.
too. From any point that you're standing in the home, you're not staring straight across at a blank wall.
No, not at all. And-
Detail and interest throughout.
Well, and that's something David Weekley has always been known. And I want to remind people, David Weekley Homes has been in Nocatee since the beginning. And so they have been a wonderful partner to the Park Group, the master developers. And we are thrilled, Adrian, that you have been here for so long and again now selling one of the final communities here in Nocatee.
I know, it's rather sad. 18 years that I've been with David Weekley, and this is probably the last community that we will have. Because we have a couple of others that are ongoing, but for a home of this size, on a home site of this size, and this is a 70-foot series, we do have 80 foots left, not many, but a few. This will be the last opportunity to get into a gated community like Coral Ridge.
Absolutely, and Adrian is absolutely correct. And if you do want to see this particular quick move-in floor plan, you can find it on Nocatee.com, and in the search engine, just type in quick move-in, and you will be able to see this along with the other David Weekley Homes quick move-ins available for you today, but not one of this, again, size and lot size. So I'm glad Adrian pointed that out. Okay, Adrian, look at this closet. Love it. Carling, you got to pan around that.
And there's additional space round to the left underneath the stairs.
It just keeps going. And again, as you're coming out, looking at the beautiful, you've got, I love this. This is something. So you have the double sinks, but to be on opposite sides, I'd be like messier. But we need to, I love, and this would be mine. That would be that's mine, because it's bigger.
Of course.
That's my closet.
There's no debating that.
But just look, this video is not giving the justice the size of this room is, but this owner's primary bedroom, I cannot say it enough, just huge. Plenty of space. But again, you are away from, if that is a guest room in the front or the rest of your home, and I love that. So you're private in the back corner. And then we do, again, we've got to show this. Sorry, Carling. This pantry. Huge. Wow. Yeah, lots and lots of space. David Weekley Homes is just showing you with shelving, the size, what you can do. But of course, you can even add and do more. And then as we go up the stairs, again, reminding you, we're in Coral Ridge at Seabrook, and Adrienne, who is selling for David Weekley Homes, this is the final opportunities to live in this gated community. And you are also living down here in Seabrook. You are close to the beautiful paddle launch, which is the Nocatee Landing. It's a kayak canoe paddleboard launch. So you could ride your bike or walk down to the Intracoastal Waterway. So great location here in Coral Ridge at Seabrook. So we've come up the stairs. Adrienne, tell us what we're seeing on this side of the home.
Well, Carling has gone into one of the two guest bedrooms up here, and they both have the benefit of sharing one bathroom up here. Lots of light coming in from this front bedroom, and that leads through to the bathroom.
A full bath, by the way. Very nice. And then Carling, if you'll back out of that space, or if you're able to flip around, and then I want to show you, we've got to go over to where Adrienne is. Okay, we mentioned downstairs in the garage. Oh yes, you've got attic storage. Guys, they've got even more here in this beautiful David Weekley Homes.
This is just your AC room, but look at this.
Are you serious?
Yes.
I mean, this is huge. Plenty of storage. You can put, and by having the flooring here, you can put your holiday decorations in here.
You don't even have to dismantle your Christmas tree. Just bring it straight in.
To be honest with you, I wouldn't. It's funny you just said that. But just tons of space, so you can either store stuff in there, or again, where the air handlers are, that is going to be your finished space. So you can put your luggage, and then look at this open air giant loft, but it's really like an extra room. So if you do have kids, this has plenty of space for a pool table, gaming areas. It could also have homework stations. You can make it into 2 sections because of the scope and size. It's really a long room.
It's a large room, multi-purpose.
And if you're older, Adrienne, this could be a great hangout area. I mean, if you just want a viewing space, your TV room, and not have it downstairs, this would be a great space for that.
And if you have a guest who wants to do something else, work on a computer or watch TV or have it as a film area, perfect.
So remind people where we are in Coral Ridge and which floor plan.
This is the Coppinger floor plan. It's the last one of its kind, and we are at 40 Crystal Sands Court.
All right, guys, 40. We're here in Coral Ridge. You've got to call Adrienne today because these quick move-ins are going to sell like that, because you are in the only gated community in the Seabrook collection, Coral Ridge, David Weekley Homes. Thank you, Adrienne, as always.
You're very welcome.
All right,
we'll
bye,
see
guys.
you soon. Bye-bye.